Before you buy CS Cart for your dropshipping business, there are a few things you should know. In this video, we're going to compare it to its competitors and highlight both the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. The first thing to understand is that CS Cart is highly customizable, which makes it a great choice for businesses looking for a unique storefront. Unlike platforms like Shopify, which limit customizations to their themes and apps, CS Cart gives you full control of your site's layout and features. However, this level of customization does come with a learning curve. So, if you're looking for something quick and easy, this might not be the most beginner-friendly option. Next thing, CS Cart supports multi-vendor functionality, allowing you to turn your store into a marketplace, much like Amazon or eBay. This feature sets it apart from other platforms like WooCommerce, where you'd need additional plugins to add similar functionality. But with great power comes great responsibility. Managing multiple vendors can get complicated. If you're thinking of expanding your business with other sellers, it's something to consider carefully. The third thing you need to know is pricing. CS Cart has a one-time fee structure, which might seem appealing compared to the monthly subscription models of Shopify or BigCommerce. However, while you're paying once, it's important to note that updates and some add-ons can be costly. So, while the initial investment might be lower than paying monthly fees, over time, you might spend more to maintain your site. The fourth thing you should keep in mind is the support CS Cart offers. Their support is generally good, but it's not as fast or as extensive as Shopify's 24/7 support system. If you're running into issues after hours, you might have to wait longer for a solution. This could be a deal breaker if you need constant, immediate assistance. The fifth thing is the range of integrations. CS Cart supports a wide range of third-party integrations, but it's still not as extensive as Shopify's app marketplace. If you're used to the huge variety of Shopify apps, you might find CS Cart a little more limiting in terms of quick, easy integrations. Next thing, CS Cart's dropshipping features are solid, but it doesn't have the same level of automation as some other platforms. If you're looking for advanced automation, like with Shopify or Oberlo, CS Cart might require more manual effort on your part. But if you're okay with setting up things yourself, it's still a great option. The seventh thing to know is its SEO capabilities. CS Cart is fairly SEO friendly out of the box, but it's not as advanced as Shopify in terms of built-in SEO tools. You'll have to rely on third-party apps or manual customization to optimize your store for search engines. The eighth thing is the mobile experience. While CS Cart does have mobile-friendly themes, Shopify and BigCommerce do a better job of optimizing for mobile users right out of the gate. If mobile optimization is critical to your sales, you might want to consider these alternatives. The ninth thing is security. CS Cart offers strong security features, including SSL support and PCI compliance, but you'll need to manage updates and backups yourself. Unlike Shopify, where security is handled for you, CS Cart requires more involvement from you to ensure your store is secure. The 10th thing is that CS Cart is a self-hosted solution, which means you're responsible for choosing your hosting provider. While this gives you more control over performance, it also means you'll have to manage things like server speed and uptime yourself. With hosted solutions like Shopify, all of this is taken care of for you. The 11th thing is that CS Cart allows for unlimited products and bandwidth. Unlike some other platforms that cap the number of products you can list or the bandwidth your site uses, CS Cart offers flexibility in terms of scale. However, you'll still need to consider the hosting plan and the costs involved as you grow. Finally, it's important to note that CS Cart offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. This is a great way to explore its features and see if it works for your business model. So, is CS Cart a good option for your dropshipping business? It definitely has its strengths, especially in customization and multi-vendor functionality. But if you're looking for something with better automation, ease of use, and more third-party integrations, we recommend checking out our suggested solution. You can try it for free, and it might be just what you need to take your dropshipping business to the next level.